Good afternoon, everyone. It is Wednesday, June 12th. This is the class after the midterm test. And I wanted to say, and I think I just said to all of you just now, I think you did very well. Generally on the test, everybody passed, and most of the grades were a B plus or an A. So I don't think you guys have any problems. And I think if you just keep up that kind of result into the final group conversation as well too, I think you're going to do very well in this class. Now, in this part of the class going on from June 12th on, we will be doing speaking videos. Now, this speaking video is something that I want to make sure that everybody understands what we're going to be doing. So at the last part of this video explanation, I will do a little bit more talk about that. But before we do that, I want to remind you about your assignments for the week, okay? So for today, we're going to be doing some Quizlet warm-up, okay? So get your phones ready, get your computers ready to look at that. You also have your listening quiz number 3. And like all of my quizzes, you can take it up to 3 times. You have 15 minutes to take the quiz. Shouldn't be very difficult. But if you have any problems, if there are any problems in the quiz, please make sure to contact me and tell me. Your reflection is on this video. I kind of like this video because I think if somebody had shown me this video when I was in university, it probably would have helped a lot. Now, some of you are maybe doing some of these things already, and that's great, but I don't think all of you are doing all of the 12 things. And when I looked at the video, I thought, this is all good information. So please watch the video and then answer the question down at the bottom with your handwritten response to Moodle. Okay, now I want to talk a bit about this speaking video. Okay, now the speaking video itself basically is a video of you that will be going on for about 2 or 3 minutes. So between 2 or 3 minutes. So less than 2 minutes, that's too short. Much more than 3.5 minutes, that's getting to be too long. Now, of all of these videos, you can watch a sample walking video up here, okay, which is right up here at the very top of our Moodle, okay, and you scroll down a little bit, okay, right here, okay. This is me doing a walking video. So this should go out to, sorry, this will go out here to this, to the speakers above, but let's watch just a little bit of this. I'm gonna turn that down a little bit so I can talk as well too. Basically, the key is I'm holding my phone and I'm walking and I'm speaking English. That's actually very hard to do. If you're walking and speaking English at the same time, that's probably not something that you've done very much. So it's going to be very difficult for you. Another thing that's important is that this is not rehearsed. This is not practiced. I'm not looking at a piece of paper, reading the piece of paper while I'm trying to walk, because it won't work. You'll probably hit something and fall down. Oh, this is just me talking naturally. There's no notes, no paper, just me and my phone. This goes on for about another 2 or 3 minutes, and we don't need to watch all of it, but that's basically what a walking video, a speaking video looks like. Now I'm going to switch over to my phone just to show you a couple of important things on it. Okay, so first thing that you want to do is make sure that you have your screen lock turned off, okay? Because what I want you to do, okay, is be able to do this video holding your phone horizontally. Please do not hold your phone vertically. It is not a TikTok video, okay? I want you to hold your phone horizontally. And to do that, look at how I hold it, okay? One finger here, one finger here, 2 fingers on the back. My thumb is right here, okay? So right now, go ahead, take out your phone, go ahead, take out your phone. Try it. Index finger, little finger on the sides, 2 fingers on the back, thumb should still be able to move around, and you can aim it like this, okay? And when you aim it, keep your arm out, okay? Keep it a little above your eyes, just a little above your eye. Don't do this, okay? This is bad. If you're doing this, you're looking down at your audience. Your audience should be looking down at you. Now, if you want to use, it's okay, put your arms down. If you want to use your headphones, that's fine too. I think you can have no problem with the regular microphone on the phone. But if you use the regular microphone, be careful. Don't put this up against your palm. Make sure there's a little space here because the microphone is down here, okay? So this is what it's going to look like. Turn this on, and my camera is there. There's my camera, okay? Now that's the side-facing video. Oh, sorry, yeah. On Zoom, this will look like it's standing up, but just watch me here, okay? And then I'm going to turn this around. Okay, and you can see me here. Now, make sure, okay, that this itself is standing up. And you can see that if I put this right in front of me, okay, it's a little bit strange. Put this out about 45 degrees, a little bit higher, and then this is all the space that you can use to gesture. Gesturing is very important here. Now, you can tell me, but Mr. Cruz, my English is not very good. I make many mistakes. Okay, I understand. So learn to gesture. Gesturing is a really, really great way to communicate. Also, if you want to say, this is my bicycle, you have a lot of space to show this, or you can talk about something in your room that you like. Your head should be here in the top right corner. This half, okay, this half of the screen should be open so that I can see around you when you're walking, okay? Make sure that you're always walking and you can use that space to gesture, okay? So that's a very, very quick explanation of what I want. Let me just turn this off. Okay, so that's what we're going to be practicing from here. Don't forget about your assignments that you have to do. You have to do your reflection. Just go back over here to the 12th. You have to do your reflection and your listening quiz number 3. If you have any questions, please contact me at jdmcruz@gmail.com. Otherwise, from here, we're going to be practicing those walking videos, and then we'll be doing our speaking practices as we normally do. Okay, thanks very much, everyone.